A dropped connection can cost you more than time. It can cost you your entire business. Introducing Peplink, the network technology behind professional racing teams. Real-time telemetry, live broadcast, zero dropped connection, even at 200 miles per hour. Tech Security USA brings that same enterprise-grade technology to your business. Certified with T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon, it is built for networks that cannot afford to go down. Now, paired with Starlink, we deliver bonded, always-on connectivity for security systems, point of sale, and critical operations anywhere your business runs. Cameras stay online, alarms stay armed. Your systems stay alive no matter what happens to your primary line. Tech Security USA, enterprise network installation powered by Peplink. Contact us today via the information in the description below. Thank you for watching.